Madihaz Cooking. I hope you all are well. Today we're going to be making caramel hot coffee. So let's get started. Here I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of instant coffee. And here I have my hot water and I'm just going to add it in. And with my whisk, I'm just going to mix that until it's dissolved. Okay, so now I'm going to add condensed milk. I'm adding 1.5 tablespoons of condensed milk. And I'm also going to mix that in. And with my whisk, I'm going to whisk this all. And now I'm going to add my caramel sauce. That's enough. Now we're just going to whisk. You want to make sure everything is nicely combined, or else it won't taste that good. So here I have 1 cup of really hot milk, and I'm just going to pour that in. So now I'm going to mix. And there you go. Here's your nice, warm caramel coffee. I hope you guys like this video. Please make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys next time.